Hi! Welcome back to Veganuary day 29. No, 30. It's her birthday in the future.
Yay!
34, baby!
Woo!
It's been a long...
This is my year.
It's been this is your year. Alright, well, in honor of your birthday, we're doing the Wicked Healthy Cookbook! I'm trying to drown out Sean because he's all chatty.
He just got home from his program.
So this book is written by two brothers,
Oh.
Chad and Derek Sarno. He was a vegan. Well, he still is. And his brother is a chef. So his brother wasn't vegan at first.
Oh.
His brother lost his fiance in a tragic car accident. Wasn't her fault. Somebody hit her and she was tragically killed.
It's terrible.
So he rethought a lot about life. He went and studied at a monastery for a few years and decided that there's enough cruelty in the world. He's going to go vegan.
Wow.
So he has pretty much dedicated his life to veganism. And they have this beautiful Wicked Healthy Cookbook. I believe the brother, the one who lost his fiance, has a line of products in the UK. Wicked Foods. I'm not sure if the brother's in on that too, the other brother.
Mm-hmm.
But he just moved back to the U.S. Like this week.
Oh, wow.
Yes, it's him and his dog, who is amazing, Frankie, a black lab. And they were just reunited after he got and sold his house over there, donated all of his furniture, and moved back. And he's going to be traveling around in a van with his dog.
Wow.
Yeah, crazy, incredible story. I can't wait for the adventures. So I love this cookbook. It's got a lot of, they use a lot of mushroom, which unfortunately it's very expensive in the U.S.
It can be hard to get your hands on some of those specialty ones.
But everything in here, his philosophy is 90% healthy, 10% not so healthy. And you're going to do fine. So today, we're going to make one of our old favorites.
Ooh.
I've never made this one before, and we're still not, because he uses lion's mane mushrooms, which they're very expensive here. So we're making, instead of the mushrooms, we're going to be substituting some hearts of palm, which is very delicious, and some artichoke hearts.
What are we making?
We're making New England lobster roll.
Yum, get it.
Yeah, there it is. Oh, I can remember going on vacation in Boston and seeing lobster rolls everywhere.
Anytime you go to New England,
even. But I'm pretty sure the ones in McDonald's were not real lobster. They were like those sea legs.
Yeah.
It's McDonald's.
Yeah.
All right, so the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to drain our hearts of palm and our artichoke hearts. And we're going to put them in this bowl. I'm not going to make you watch that.
We'll be right back.
Yeah. All right. We're going to shred these up the best that we can. These are pretty easy to shred just with your hands. Mm-hmm. But the hearts of palm, I like to take a fork and just give it a...
It's slippery little
It is
minx.
slippery. Yeah. So basically we're trying to make longer pieces.
Shreddy.
Yeah. It doesn't have... The inside is kind of like mushy. Mm-hmm. So it's the outside that you are pretty much scoring with the fork. That one was a little bit easier.
Yeah. You haven't even seasoned this yet.
And already.
I'm so used to this being the base for these lobster roll type recipes that I'm just like, ooh, we're having lobster rolls.
Yes. It smells so good.
Yeah.
I use the marinated artichoke hearts, so it's already got a lot of flavor in there. Mm-hmm. The vinegary flavor that everybody loves so much.
Delicious.
All right, I'm going to be right back.
Okay.
All right, let's put some of the seasoning in here. I need to tell you right up front, this is one of those recipes, the longer it sits, the better it tastes.
Tastier.
I'm not going to put a lot of liquid in, although I'd love to. That was some lemon juice from Italia. We're going, oops,
Oop.
the spaceship's coming in.
Woo!
UAP on the horizon. We're putting in some pepper. I'm not going to do salt because I think it's going to have a lot of salty flavor from the marinated artichokes already.
Mm-hmm.
Also, you can put more salt and pepper when you serve it.
Right.
This is triple blend of sea flakes. So I believe dulse, laver, and sea lettuce.
Ah.
This is what's going to give us our beautiful fishy taste.
Fishy queen.
Yeah, fish queen. Are you fishy? I'm not measuring. We're putting in a little Old Bay, but if I was measuring, I would say that that is about 1.25 teaspoons. We are also putting in dried parsley because I don't have fresh.
It's just fine.
They were out of it when I went to the store.
It's alright. It's gonna be delish.
Also, I'm not putting in 1/2 cup of mayo like they said. I'm putting in 1/4 cup of mayo.
Okay.
And this is the beautiful garlic aioli.
My God, it's so good.
It's new. It's
So
not that
good.
new. All right, we're going to chop up. This is an addition I'm putting in. I'm putting in some scallions. And I'm putting in some celery that I'm chopping up very finely. Where'd you come from? I totally washed that and that's there.
I don't know.
What the heck?
What are you doing here?
I don't know what happened there. Oh, mayo, stop. All right, you can come back when we're ready to mix it up.
Chop, chop, chop.
Yeah. All right, we're ready to mix. I got
Yum,
my
yum, yum.
celery and scallions in here. And I wish I had like a few hours at least to let this marinate, but we gotta eat.
We do need to eat.
Oh, this looks so good.
It does, and it smells even better.
Now, the way that they serve this when you go to New England is on a toasted, one of those Pepperidge Farm hot dog buns.
Mm-hmm.
But we don't have that because I can't eat it.
It's a good reason to not have it.
Yes, I need either gluten-free or I need Italian flour. So I reached into my beautiful bread bag and I found some rolls. So we are going to, should have used my bread knife, but we're going to toast these in the pan like we're on the bear.
God. Fancy.
Right? That one's a little hard on the end, but that's okay. Alright, so we're going to toast these. I'm going to turn on my pan over here. We're going to do a little butter. If you don't like butter, you could do mayo. You could do olive oil if you wanted. Oh, but that's so beautiful. I don't want to get mixed up which roll goes with which, because that's like my pet peeve in life.
Mismatched rolls.
Mismatched roll halves. Oh, so beautiful.
This is gonna be like next level.
Exactly. Oh my God.
This makes me think of summer. I want it to be summer so bad.
I know.
Or at
I
least
wish
spring.
it was. But it's going to get colder tonight.
No.
Yeah, it's January.
No.
I was just telling Maddie how I froze my A off in the hospital right after I gave birth to her because I wore just a light denim jacket when I went in labor, but when I came out, it was back to winter.
That's so sad.
They forgot to turn on the heat in my little hospital room quarter because I had to share a room with 3 other ladies.
Oh my goodness.
I know, it was a lot. When I had Sean, I only had to share with one person. And when my niece gave birth, she only had she had the whole room to herself.
That was a big room too.
It was a big room,
oh my God.
wasn't it?
Yeah.
And the husbands can sleep over.
Yeah.
They didn't do that when I gave birth, so I'm a little salty about that. But let's toast these up and we'll be ready to build our beautiful lobster roll.
Yum, yum, yum.
Here's the bottom, the power bottom.
Oh God.
Oh, that looks so yummy.
This is gonna be delish.
I just love the scallions in there.
Yeah.
You
Love
could
it all.
probably do some pickled onions even, but
Yeah.
I mean, we're trying to stay a little traditional here.
Right.
Oh, we haven't had this in so long. And somebody had just asked in the comments not too long ago, hey, do you guys do lobster rolls anymore?
We love them.
Yes. Oh, that's beauty. That's beauty.
Yeah, that bottom bun was
Oh.
a little light.
Yeah, well, you know.
Let's take a look. Oh my goodness, it looks so good.
Oh, burn me.
Oh my god, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. I'll survive for the lobster roll.
Yeah. Pile it up.
Yeah. Let's just pile it on. Of course, we're going to have to continue to eat from the bowl after we make our sandwiches.
That's tradition.
I was about to do it. Oh,
Ooh.
you can have this one.
Why did you put more?
No. No, I meant just because it was more, you know, toasted.
I know your tricks.
All right, that's not too hot. Oh my God, I can't believe how beautiful that looks.
It looks amazing.
Are you ready to taste it?
Yeah, I just feel like it's gonna go everywhere though.
Well, do your best. Too bad we don't have a table this high so that you could just eat it right off the table.
Just... Ah, I'm gonna dump the whole thing.
Do you want to cut it in half?
Yeah.
All right.
Thank you.
Don't squeeze it out.
I'm gonna...
I mean, this is the kind of thing you just have to eat with your hands and
gonna be a
a
mess.
fork and, you know. Yeah, thank you.
The only problem is I just put lotion on my hands not long ago, so I'm like, ugh.
Well, do you want to use like a fork and...
Nah, I'm gonna use a fork after, but let me just...
Okay.
Oh my god. It's so good.
And her sister's here.
Yeah,
Perfect timing.
it's really good.
All right. Well, she's going to go get the door. I'm going to urge you guys, let me step away from the barking dog. I'm going to urge you guys to give it a try. It's really, really, really good, even when it's not summer or New England. So we've only got one video left tomorrow. I hope you join us. And until then, much love.